math students, it's Mrs. Robinson here to let you know that I am available as an online resource. I offer tutoring a couple times a week. You can log in with me currently Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I can help you with any assignments, practice benchmark, even quick checks. So what you would do is you would go to your portal. Here I am in the portal. You'd find online classrooms. You click on that, and I go to my classes so that I know where my class is, but you would look at all your classes and you would come down, and mine says start class because I'm starting the class, but you would find Mrs. Robinson's math tutoring. Go ahead and join that, and it will bring you here with me where I can help you with any assignments that you have. I go ahead and share my screen with you like this, and I use my little pen guy, and we can work out problems here together. Number 3 you need help with, and it's working the distributive property, and we would talk about how to work this. We would distribute here, and we would come up with 3x squared plus, and then 3x times y would be 3xy. All right, guys, that's how you can use me as a resource. Please know that I'm here, and I look forward to working with you.